yourself?
Well, I'm actually very excited because I have invited you on an opportunity to be interviewed by me on a topic that's called, can AI replace teachers in the future or in the past or currently recently? Can we start now?
Sure. Okay, so I'm happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me. And AI. AI is very amazing, you know. It can answer questions instantly, giving us instant feedbacks and all of that topics. But, you know, teaching is not just about giving answers. It's also about emotions, empathy, and all of that.
Well, let me ask you some questions to see how you clarify your current decision. First question, what roles of teachers cannot be replaced by robots or AI?
Okay, so if we're talking about roles, so according to UNESCO's article that is teacher cannot be coded, teacher provide human connection, empathy, and judgment that AI can't. It simply lacks emotions. Teacher also support students' emotional well-being and help them feel seen and valued. And yes, while AI can support teaching, UNESCO emphasizes that education is a human-centered process, and teachers remain essential for shaping learners as people.
Wow, that's a very, very good answer. Well, let's go to the second question. Can AI teach students as effectively as human teachers do?
You know, as I've said in the opening, AI can give instant feedbacks, instant correction to people. But you know, AI improves efficiency in assessment practice and all that repetitive tasks, right? And however, AI lacks human emotions, as I said back then. Human teachers could motivate students, push them to their limits, and unlock their potentials as a student.
I see. Well, who can adapt faster to students' learning styles? You said that AI gives instant feedback. Do AI or teachers, which one does it faster and more effectively?
I mean, if we're talking about instant result, AI is definitely faster to adapt to students' learning style. You know, AI uses very fast algorithm to adapt to humans, to identify their learning patterns, and provide instant personalizations feedback. But teachers adapt more slowly and technically. But they understood human emotions, motivations, and social context.
Oh, okay, let's see. Fourth question. Can AI personalize learning better than teachers in a real classroom?
Well, AI personalizes learning by adjusting content based on difficulty for each student based on data and performance of each student. It could provide individualized practice, quiz, recommendations, and gives instant feedbacks to the students efficiently. But in a real classroom, teachers personalize learning by understanding their students' personality and pace, social context, and everything else. Therefore, AI personalizes learning better technically and pace, but teacher personalizes learning more holistically and humanly.
I see. Oh, can constructed AI lessons be as engaging as teaching lessons?
AI,
Yes.
AI could be trained as engaging as you can train it. So you know, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, it could be trained as in what you want them to be, right? So they could hypothetically create learning that is engaging for different students. So structures AI can be engaging through interactive features, gamifications, and multimedia content, right? Yes. Therefore, AI lessons can be engaging, but teaching lessons are often more engaging because of human connection and interactions.
Well, let's do question 6. Be honest. Be really honest right now, okay? If you have a last-minute essay that you really need to do like 12 p.m. and you're doing it at 11 p.m., would you rather contact your teacher that may be sleeping already, or would you contact AI for an exception?
Well, as a junior high student speaking, if I have an essay due 12 a.m. and I'm doing it at 11 or 10, I would not contact my teacher because it's off work times, you know, and it just disturbs people. So I'd rather just use AI. And as a junior high school student, I use AI for basically everything to make my life simpler. Writing essays, finding journals for my KAI, and even creating agenda for my daily life.
Well, in my opinion, AI isn't a terrible source. I think it's a bit of a good way to learn and teach stuff. Even doing agendas last minute, don't you think?
I mean, yes, AI is definitely an opportunity for us and not something that we should be scared of, you know? It is a tool for us to be creative.
I see. Well, AI is short and easy to do in a click of a motion. But teaching takes time. What would you choose?
Well, if the goal is just pure speed and convenience, AI is definitely the better choice because it gives instant feedback to the student, right? With just one click, he said. But if the goal is deep understanding and long-term learning, teacher definitely takes the lead because it is more effective for a student to be taught by a human teacher. AI is useful for quick help and revision or clarification, and teacher will build thinking skill, discipline, and understanding that lasts beyond one task. Personally, myself,
Yes.
I would choose AI for speed and teacher for meaningful learnings.
So it's a bit of a 50-50, like a mix.
Yes, you should definitely mix it and use it as a tool for yourself.
Okay, now, in your opinion, would AI, would you rather choose AI in like a very, very terrible source of information? If so, how?
So here's how AI algorithm works.
Yeah.
AI takes anything from the website without filtering the information. So it could just take any information from sketchy websites that we don't know. So definitely you should check where the source is from. You know, from ChatGPT, you sometimes get the sources. If no, you should definitely ask ChatGPT to give you the source. Because most of the time, it's usually some sketchy websites from the internet that
So it's not always legit, right?
no, it's not legit. It's not always legit.
Must be careful sometimes.
Yes, it could be very misleading for us.
Well, in your opinion now, would teachers be a better choice in like 100 years from now? Would teachers still be like the #1 top for more engaging activities in learning education?
In 100 years, can you repeat the question, please?
Well, in your opinion, would teachers be a better choice, even in the future?
Yes, I think as a student right now, teacher would be the better option as a student because, you know, teachers could create like those unscripted moments. For example, when you make mistakes, and teacher could also push your limits so you can unlock new things that AI just couldn't simply do. If you even train, it lacks human emotions and unscripted stuff like that. So yes, even in 100 years, I think teacher would clearly win against AI.
Wow, that was a lot. But now it's finally the last question. In conclusion, would robots replace teachers?
So I think AI would replace tasks that is repetitive, like grading maybe, administration, emails, all that repetitive work, you know, administration stuff. But I think AI is an opportunity. It's not a threat for us if we use it correctly. So it is a tool actually. And then teaching. Teaching is not going to be replaced fully with AI because it's not just giving information to students. It's not just information. It's building their emotion, social skill, and all of that, right?
Yeah.
AI is limited to scripted empathy stuff. No real connection. Do you get me?
Yeah, I get you. Wow, that was something that I got all the questions I needed from this interview. Well, I guess now for the worst part, shall we end it? For now?
Yes, sure. Let's wrap
Well,
up.
thank you viewers for watching this. We hope to see you guys in the next episode. Bye!